It is a hot, sunny day, and you're exhausted. The only thing that comes in your mind is a refreshing drink. Refreshing drink without ice is not complete. Over these years, people have found to like ice very much. These days, people use ice in different beverages as well, like in coffee, tea, and alcohol. But what if ice gets accumulated on the aircraft? How does accumulation of ice on aircraft affect the performance of it? And what are the steps taken by the aircraft manufacturer to overcome this situation? Let us know about this in this video.
Singapore 861, wind 0907, clear takeoff 07 right.
Clear takeoff runway 07 right, Singapore 861.
Over these years, aviation has developed as a major part of transportation. Aircraft are safest and the fastest mode of transporting goods and people from one place to another place. Aviation industry runs in bad weather conditions as well, and aircraft are pushed till its limit. But there is one condition, one nightmare for all the aircraft pilots in bad weather conditions, and that is ice. Ice is one of the major culprits for so many crashes in the aviation history, and the most frightening thing is it doesn't leave even a single trace or evidence of its existence because it melts down. And a major question that arises is how does a few millimeter thick ice bring down a jet aircraft? Wings create lift that is needed for the aircraft to fly. Due to streamline flow of air through wings, pressure is created on the lower part of the wing due to which aircraft creates its lift. But when there is accumulation of ice or contamination of ice in the wing, then this streamline flow of air gets disrupted due to which wings lose its lift and it becomes impossible for the aircraft to fly. In order to remove ice from the aircraft body, airport has de-icing booth. In this booth, a hot chemical mixture is being sprayed over the aircraft body that melts down the ice and removes them off the surface of the aircraft. This mixture is sprayed in aircraft body until the ice melts down. As the aircraft flies thousands of feet above the mean sea level, the outside temperature is below freezing, due to which there is a high chance of accumulation of ice in the wings. If ice gets accumulated in the wing, then it is fraction of time for the aircraft to fall down from the sky like a stone. But the aircraft manufacturer come up with a plan by installing anti-ice system in the aircraft. This system prevents ice from getting accumulated on the wings. There are two processes by which anti-ice system works. In the first one, a rubber type of substance is attached on the tip of the wing, which gets inflamed and the ice breaks down. The broken down ice is then removed by the help of air from the wing. There was a limitation in the system, that it cannot be used when ice accumulation rate is very high. This kind of system is still being seen in the aircraft which fly at lower altitude. In another system, hot air that comes out from the engine is being used. This air is then circulated to the part where ice gets accumulated and the surface temperature of the aircraft body is maintained above freezing and the ice doesn't get accumulated on the surface of the aircraft. But still, the problem of ice is not solved completely, and the main reason is human error. In the year 2009 July 1, Air France flight 447, which was inbound for Rio to Paris, was crashed on midway at Atlantic Ocean. It killed all 228 passengers. The aircraft type was Airbus A330, and later on the investigation it was found out that due to the ice, the speed gauge of aircraft was being blocked, due to which aircraft was showing false speed and autopilot got disengaged. This problem could have been solved easily by the crew, but they made bad situation more worse and the aircraft fell out of the sky. Thank you everyone for your valuable time. Hope the video might have been informative for you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any comment regarding the video or you want to share anything, please mention it on the comment section down below.